Hello! Thank you for always watching. In this video, I will be introducing Florante Miyazaki, located in front of Sigaya in Miyazaki Prefecture, on the tropical island of Kyushu. Florante Miyazaki is a green urban park developed on the site of the 16th National Flower Expo, Green Miyazaki 99. This is a fantastic resort spot, surrounded by flowers and greenery all year round on its vast grounds. This video was taken last year on March 20, 2024, when the Hinamatsuri, Girls' Day, event was being held. It is being held again this year. Yumeika-kan is a large complex that includes a large dome-shaped glass greenhouse, an event exhibition space, a cafe, and a shop. It is a townscape sample garden that designs streetscapes that incorporate gardening into everyday life and features Japanese and Western-style model homes. This is a flower-making sample garden that models gardens, walls, entrances, etc. that incorporate flowers into daily life. This is the Moon Gazebo. This is a picnic garden with a wonderful view of flowers and a pond. This is a grass square with a wide open field where children can play energetically. This is the Exchange Square. It is decorated with various flowers throughout the seasons, and is an area where events are held. This is a streetscape model garden, where streets and houses have been designed that allow people to live while also enjoying gardening. This is a flower-growing sample garden. There are many different types of gardens, pathways, and ways to use flowers that match the walls and entrances. This dome-shaped gazebo was designed to resemble the moon. It's a nice place with hanging baskets and a place to rest for a while. The picnic garden is a perfect blend of seasonal flowers, phoenix palms, and a pond, creating a gentle and relaxing atmosphere. In the center of the park is a vast lawn area that is green all year round. It's a great place for children to have fun. Yumeika-kan is a large complex that includes a dome-shaped glass greenhouse, as well as a cafe, gallery, event hall, and shop. There is also a second floor, so you can see the whole park from the outside deck. The event hall was just holding its Hinamatsuri, Girls' Day, and was beautifully decorated, which was very soothing. What did you like it? I hope this video was helpful to you. The narration in this video was created using a Japanese to English electronic translation and voice application. If you find any incorrect English or better expressions, I would appreciate it if you could leave a comment. Thank you for watching until the end.